So this is inside Rajgir nature safari. Moving away from the glass bridge, first of its kind in India. It was beautiful. And going towards suspension bridge. G has developed his home district real well, undoubtedly. That's forgiven. So if you ever come to Rajgir, do squeeze 2 hours minimum for nature safari. Or if you are more into laid back viewing of animals, then jungle safari. That is also here when like you sit on an AC bus and armored और आप जानवरों को देखते हुए जाते हैं. They are in the open kind of and you are in the cage sort of. So here we are.